Good morning, friends. Happy Monday to all of you. Democratic lawmakers are finally making huge progress on the fourth stimulus package. It has been decided that billions of dollars in unused relief money will be going towards new stimulus checks for Americans. Friends, please make sure that you watch until the end of this video to find out how much these payments will be worth and how soon they will be sent out. I will also be giving away a $75 Walmart gift card 4 days a week. If you would like to enter the giveaways, all you have to do is click and like several of my videos, and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. Remember, friends, the more videos that you comment on, the more likely your chance of winning. And in a video later today, I'll be announcing today's winner. So friends, please stay tuned for that video.
But the truth is, in Vermont, and I'm gathering in California, people are not getting the kind of help and responses from the Social Security Administration that they need. So it's a very, very important issue, and I appreciate you raising it.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Okay, let me just do this. Let me thank the panelists. I just want to say a couple of things, and we're going to hear from Stephen Goss, who is the head actuary for the Social Security Administration. There has been a lot of talk about the need of bipartisanship to solve the issue, and I agree. But you know what? There is something even more important, and that is the need to listen to the American people and to respond to what the American people want. So when we talk about bipartisan, the assumption is that Congress actually listens and reflects what the American people want, and I think that that is not accurate. I think to too large a degree, Congress is beholden to powerful special interests and not the needs of ordinary Americans. I think if you went out there today, and I think polling makes this very, very clear, if you ask the American people, should we cut Social Security benefits, raise the retirement age, there is a very loud no on the part of the American people. If you ask the American people, should we ask the wealthiest in our country to contribute more into the Social Security Trust Fund, the answer is a loud yes. Should we increase benefits for Social Security? The answer is a yes as well. So I am all in favor of bipartisanship. But in fact, what is more important is that we start listening to the American people and do what they want, not listen to powerful special interests who do not reflect where the American people are at.
As the June 30th deadline for the Pennsylvania legislature to pass a new budget approaches, support for spending some of the state's billions in remaining stimulus money and surplus revenue is gaining bipartisan traction. Discussions are preliminary, and top budget negotiators want to reach a deal as soon as possible. But many lawmakers, lobbyists, and staff have pointed to a number of small bipartisan proposals that have been put forward on issues from the environment to childcare that could be the building blocks of a spending plan. House Appropriations Committee Chair Stan Saylor has told reporters this week, "We move forward trying to identify areas of agreement first, and then we'll identify areas of disagreement and try and work through those." Every year, Pennsylvania's governor and legislature must agree on how to route tens of billions of dollars to education, economic development, and human services. These are decisions that affect every Pennsylvanian. But the state's financial picture has changed in recent years, with the state coffers getting a $7.9 billion boost from stimulus money. But the state's financial picture has changed in recent years, with the state coffers getting a $7.9 billion boost from stimulus money in 2021. In response, Wolf and his legislative allies called on the legislature to spend some of that windfall on higher education, medical leave, school repairs, and among other priorities. Earlier this year, Wolf released a budget proposal that would appropriate billions of dollars more to education and infrastructure. Republicans countered that additional spending would be fiscally irresponsible. Pennsylvania still has $2.2 billion in remaining stimulus money and at least $4.9 billion in surplus tax revenue. To address the soaring cost of living and inflation, Governor Wolf is pushing the legislature to approve using the American Rescue Plan money to provide people with $2,000 checks. They would go to every household earning less than $80,000 a year, which is the majority of Pennsylvanians. Other issues that are getting Republican attention include more state funding for childcare and pre-K, nursing homes, and housing. Progressive lawmakers have been building bipartisan support for a broad housing plan, known as a Whole Homes Repair Fund, which would use stimulus money to provide grants to homeowners and landlords alike to make renovations big and small. So friends, what are your thoughts on this? Do you think that more funds should be allocated towards a fourth round of stimulus checks? Please let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. Friends, the keyword for this video is Wyoming. If you would like to enter today's Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like several of my videos, and then comment below this keyword, which is Wyoming, and additional keywords of any video of mine that you watch. And do make sure that you're also subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much, friends. After 2 years and 6 relief bills into the crisis, the United States has spent the majority of its available stimulus relief funding. But billions of dollars across a handful of categories have not gone out the door. Beginning under the former president and continuing through President Biden's administration, Congress has approved some $4.5 trillion in total aid spending. According to the Treasury Department data, federal agencies have formally committed to using about $4 trillion of that and have made $3.5 trillion in actual payments to date. Budget experts say that it can often take time for the total pot of funds to make its way to the American people. That is because government agencies, such as the Small Business Administration and the Department of Labor, go through a process of legally committing to a portion of the allotted funding, which is known as obligating. They then start to actually spend the money. The $500 billion or so in available relief resources that have not been obligated may not end up being spent by these agencies. There are deadlines for making these commitments, and they could span several years. The details also vary by program. Funds that are not eventually obligated are returned for other government uses. Education, healthcare, and disaster relief are among the areas where the government has underspent its obligated funds. Well, my amazing friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video. Thank you so much for joining me here today and watching my videos daily. The winner of yesterday's Walmart gift card giveaway is Linda Hernandez. Congratulations, my friend. If I have named you as the winner, please check your notifications page and send me an email. Or you can also send me a message on my Facebook page. Thank you so much, friends, and have a wonderful and blessed Monday.